During the design phase of a civil engineering project, design teams need to quickly create, analyze, and present design options to both clients and project stakeholders. Autodesk offers a powerful building information modeling solution where AutoCAD Civil 3D and Autodesk 3ds Max Design work together using a process that enables virtually anyone who works on civil engineering design projects to produce compelling visualization of projects regardless of their size. By making visualizations an integral part of the entire design process, teams can better evaluate and communicate their design at any stage. Near photorealistic visualizations and animations of infrastructure projects helps to better communicate design intent to non-technical stakeholders and helps to better communicate proposals by enabling the viewer to drive the road virtually. Content in 3ds Max Design retains its relationship with the model information from Civil 3D. So as long as the project evolves and the design model is refined, these changes can easily be incorporated into the existing visualization, eliminating the need to manually rebuild the visualization after every design change. Creating visualizations as part of the design process is a growing trend, and its importance is recognized by many firms. Working together, Civil 3D and 3ds Max Design make it easier to improve the overall quality of roadway designs.